This conference will now be recorded.
Great. I will stop my webcam. Okay. Where did this go here? Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Just to check whether everything is writing or not. Okay. So fastly we will cover up this topic. Not more than 10 minutes. I have set my time for every topic. So probably maybe 10 or 10 to 20 minutes we will discuss on this topic and we'll jump into the new topic. Okay. So cryptarthmatic, basically these questions can come to you, cannot come to you. I don't say that like it will definitely come to you, but there are heavy chances that these questions can come to you. Okay. Now, how do this question looks like? How do this question looks like? That's most important. Okay. How does it looks like? So you will be given a question wherein it will be in a word format, like they will give you 2 words and then they will say that to identify the numbers for the letters of the word. For an example, if I say he to the power of h is equals to she. Okay, he to the power of h is equals to she. Okay, this is what the word is given. Okay, now if I say that every single letter has a unique value, provided if there are 2 same letters, those will be having the same value. So h and h will have same value, no 2 different values. So the letters are valued from 0 to 9. The letters are valued from 0 to 9. Now tell me what is the sum of s plus h plus e. Yeah, now I'm comfortable in the whiteboard. So for the first time I'm using it, maybe it takes a little time, but now I'm through. Now we can play with this book. Yeah, can I have your answers now? Can I have your answers? I have placed the question there. He to the power of h is equals to she. H E H S H E, she. Okay, these all have a value assigned to these letters. S might be having some value, H might be having some value, E might be having some value from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. So they're saying that a 2-digit number whole to the power of some value, I don't know what is that value, is equals to a 3-digit number. Can you give me the addition of S plus H plus E? Yeah, we'll start with this question. Everyone, boys and girls, if you have got the answers, drop your answers in the chat box. If you got your answers, drop your answers in the chat box. Am I audible to all of you? Can you all hear me? Keep responding, beta. Keep responding. Yes, you are hearing me. So yeah, keep solving also. Keep solving and give me your answers in the chat box. You need to place your answers in the chat box. No one have answered me. See, you don't answer me, I will not go to the next question. Rest all, kindly mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself. Pavan Garu,
Guys, everybody check whether you are muted or not.
Pawan Garu, if you can just operate for a while. Yeah. How do we calculate? There are few people who are questioning me, sir. How do we calculate this? Okay. Yeah. I will let you know how do we calculate it. Okay. See, first thing we will understand here. We'll understand here that a 2-digit number e to the power of something is making you 3-digit number. Okay, a 2-digit number to the power of something is making you a 3-digit number. Now, first thing you have to understand, this is a 2-digit number. HE is a 2-digit number. Agreed? Now, if it is a 2-digit number, can H be 0? Yes or no? Keep responding. Can H be 0? No, it cannot be 0. Agreed? No. Yeah. Now, can H be 1? Yes, it can be 1. It can be 2. It can be 3. Now, if it is 3, let's suppose H can be 1, 2, 3. Let us take it in this way. If H is 1, 2, 3, if H is 1, then this H will also take 1. Agreed? A simple understanding. This H will also take 1. If H is 1 here, then that H will also take it as 1. Agreed? So anything to the power of 1 will be always same thing. Yes, anything to the power of 1 should be the same thing. So HE to the power of 1 should also be HE only, but it is not HE. It is not HE. So that does mean that H cannot be 1. I'll call you back. That does mean that H is not equal to 1. Yes. Now HE, now can H be 2 or 3? Let's see, can H be 3 or not? If H is 3 here, then this power is also 3. Now 2-digit number, a 2-digit number whole cube. What is the minimum 2-digit number you have? 10. 10 cube will result you how many digit number? 10 cube will result you how much digit number of 3-digit number? But here how many digits? They are 4-digit number. How many digits is given here? It is given a 3-digit. So that does mean that this H letter cannot be 3. This H letter cannot be 3. Okay. Now what H can be? So this is fixed that H has to be 2. Okay. This is fixed that H has to be 2. So our expression becomes in this way: HE whole to the power of H, where the question is like this. Now we got H is equals to 2. So when the moment you get the value for any particular letter, replace the value immediately there. So 2E to the whole power 2, you get some value. I don't know S value, but I got H value as 2 and I get E. Now this is square. Okay. Now what is this value can be? If let's suppose E is 0, so it becomes what? 20. Now some value where whose square ends also with the same value. Some value whose square also ends with same value. If it is 1, it also ends with 1. 6, yeah, 6, it also ends with 6. Even 5, it also ends with 5. 2, it does not, because 2 will end with 4. No, it does not. 3, it will end with 9. Okay, so these are the things which will be possible. Yes. Okay, very good. Got it everyone? Yeah. So now we will start replacing 0, 1, 6 and 5. If I place 0 there, then it becomes 20 square is equals to 400. Or this 0, but this is 2. It has to be 2 here. So 20 cannot be the number for us. Now if I take 21 square, it becomes 441. Here it is 2. Here it is 2. This is not acceptable. 25 square, it is 625. Yes, this is 5. This 2 is coming here and this is 6. This perfectly fits into the expression. Let us see with 26 also. 26 square is 676. This has to be 2 because we have taken square here. H has 2. So this is also not applicable. So the value of SHE, that is, this is 625. Okay, this is 625. So the value of S plus H plus E is equals to 6 plus 2 plus 5. Okay, clear? So the answer is 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. All of you, is that clear? Everyone? Yes? Yeah, good, good. Got it, got it. Anyone needs an explanation on this? You can ask me, you can ask me. You can ask me if you want an explanation on this. You can definitely ask me. Yeah, all cleared? If you are clear, then I will go with the next question. I'll go with the next question. You didn't understand. Okay. So let us take one more question in this way so that we can practice more questions. Okay. I will. This is a question given to you. This is a question given to you saying that a 2-digit number plus a 2-digit number is equals to a 3-digit number. A 2-digit number plus a 2-digit number is equals to a 3-digit number. And they're saying that every letter has a unique value. Every letter has a unique value. What does this mean? G has a different value, O has a different value, but these two O should be of the same value. Okay. Now find what are the numbers will fit into those expression, in this expression. Or else they can directly ask you in this way, find the value of out. How is out given as? Okay, they may ask you in this way. They may ask in this way, how is the value of out given as? Yeah, come on, you take it. Yeah, give me the value. Give me the value for this. Give me the value for this. I'll stop my webcam because internet is a little slow here. If you got the answers, keep posting your answers. Oh, great. No, 212. I don't know the name. If you can rename yourself with a name also, that is well good. Okay, see, it's you need to give me what is that out value. OUT is equals to what? What is that 3-digit number? What is the 3-digit number you have? OUT. Okay, very good. No, okay. So you are saying 45 plus 21 plus 20. Now, why is that you are saying like this? 45 plus 21 plus 20. I said 2-digit numbers results in a 3-digit number. Addition of 2-digit numbers results in a 3-digit number. Getting me better? Okay. Yeah. Oh, very good. Very good. Now people are coming in the right track. Yes. So 15 plus 21 plus 20, I didn't get that. 61 plus 71 is equals to 132. Okay, there is someone saying that 61 plus 71 is equals to 132. Okay, now let's see. You say here T is this T and this T means 7 here. Agreed? You're trying to, oh, sorry. You're trying to say that this T is 7 here and this T is 2 here. How is that possible? One T is 7, the other T, it has to be 7 only. Yes, we have got one person answering it right. Very good. Very good. Who is this? I don't know. Someone answered me. Yes, 251. No, I don't know where I'm receiving the answer. Someone answered me privately, in fact. Okay, but okay. So, yeah. So the answer is, see, I will explain the question. How do I solve this question? Okay. How do I solve this question? Okay. So question is GO go plus 2 TO2 OUT. This is what the part is, isn't it? 101, 101 or 102? I don't know what exactly it is. Oh sorry. OUT. Okay, numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I start working on filling the numbers. Okay, yeah, is it 112 or 102? Let's see. So what I see is always start from this end. Now I see that a 2-digit number plus a 2-digit number giving you a 3-digit number. So when I add two single digits, the maximum carry it can generate is how much? 18, one only. Okay, even if there is one more carry also, it can maximum generate as 19. That means O value here is what? 1. Okay, O value is what? 1 here. So GO go plus TO2, O is 1 which is declared here, OUT, and this O is replaced with 1, this O is replaced with 1. So finally your expression becomes G1 plus T1 is equals to 1 U. This will become how much? 2. 2. Okay. So this will also become what? 2. Okay. Yes. Now we have to fix the value for G and U. Now 2 plus something, it has to give you a carry. 2 plus something, it has to give you a carry. Now 2 plus what will give you a carry? Either it has to be 2 plus 9 or it has to be 2 plus 8. Can it be 2 plus 7? No, it cannot be 2 plus 7. Now let's suppose if it is 2 plus 9, then it will give me result as 11 and it will give you a carry as 1. But can it be 9? Can it be 9? The answer is no. Why it is no? Can you tell me why is it no? Because 1 has already taken by O and you cannot again replace U as 1. So 1 is already gone by O. Okay, you cannot replace U by 1 again. Okay, T has already taken 2. So what is the value of G which will be there? 9 it cannot be. Okay, 7 it cannot be. So that means it is definitely what? 8. It is definitely what? 8. Now 8 plus 2 is what? 10 or 11? 10. 10. 0 here and 1 here. So it's not 112, it's 102. Cleared everyone? Cleared? All of you? Okay. Yes, cleared all of you? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Good job. Okay. Now I'll give you few questions. If you want to take, you can take that as your assignment, or if you want to practice it, you practice it. If you don't get any answers, you can just ping me up saying that. Okay. So fight. I will just give you a few questions. Yeah, I'm taking the questions. Yeah, take these questions, but if you want, your plus U, your plus U is equals to U plus U. HERT, heart. O is equals to 5. Okay, O is equals to 5. UR plus U is equal. O is equals to 5 or 4? Yeah, it's 4, I guess. Okay, yeah, it's 4. And then you have another question like, yes, we can have questions. Wait a minute, I'm just seeing for the questions. You just do search the questions like Cryptarthimatic. You will get the questions on this. Or I will give you one PPT. I will share the PPT with Pawan sir later, so that he can just give you a few questions on Cryptarthimatic as well. Okay, you will get plenty of questions in online about the Cryptarthimatic. But keep solving it. You will understand that creates your logic more clear. Okay, yeah. Let me take you to the next topic now. Okay, now here onwards few topics which will definitely come in your examination. We will start with first, okay, directions. I will explain it first and then I will start giving you questions later. Okay, now you all know what is directions. When I'm talking about directions, I'm talking about few poles here. Now, north, south pole, east, west directions. Okay, so I'm talking about north direction, south direction, east direction, and west direction. So these are the directions I will be talking about, only these cardinal directions. Apart from these directions, we will also talk about something called northeast. This is southwest. This is southeast. This is northwest. So we will talk about only these 8 directions when they ask us any question on direction. Few times they may ask us question on what you say, the anti-clockwise direction and the clockwise direction. They may ask, they may involve degrees also. They may involve degrees also to move. Okay. Now I start the question in this way. How do the question comes to you, and I will explain it. Okay. Whenever a question from direction comes to you, you always start from this point first. Do always start from this point, okay? And then you can start solving it. Now, before I give you a question, can all of you tell me sun rises from which end? Though silly to answer, but it's important. Sun rises from east or north? Who is that north saying? Yes, east. Okay, sun rises from east. Very good. Sun rises from east. Good. Sun sets in west. You all know this information. That's appreciable job. You all know this information, but I have a question to you. If sun rises from east and sun sets in west, tell me, if at all on a fine morning, I and my sun are facing towards each other. See the hands. I and my sun are facing towards each other. On a fine morning, I and my sun are facing towards each other. What I see is my shadow is to the right of my sun. What I see is my shadow is to the right of my sun. Okay. Tell me in which direction my sun is facing. I repeat, one fine morning, okay, I and my sun are facing towards each other. My shadow is to the right of him. Right of him. Let us take it like right of him. Okay. Suryam shadow is to the right. Yeah. Okay. Very good. To the right of his sun. Okay. I am asking, my sun is facing in which direction? That's the question. Yeah, people have answered it. Let's see. Okay, there are few who says east, west, and north. There is someone saying north. Okay, plenty of them have got answers. Okay, northwest. Okay, good. Now, first thing you all need to understand here, okay, you all need to understand here that when there is a shadow which is falling, okay, if it is right or left, then the person has to face either towards north or south. You cannot face towards east or west, because let's suppose the sun is setting here. I see from my window the sun is setting here. So if I stand towards the sun, okay, I'm facing towards the sun, my shadow is falling back of me. My shadow is falling back of me. So that's not possible, because I'm not saying my shadow is falling to the back or front of my son. I'm saying that my shadow is falling to the right of him. So I should be standing like this. I'm facing you. The sun is this side from the window side, and my shadow will fall on this side. Okay. What does that indicate? That either I am facing towards north direction or else to the south direction. Now I told you that I and my son are facing towards each other. So if I am facing toward north direction, then my son will be facing towards south direction. Either if I am facing towards the south direction, my son is facing towards the north direction. Okay. Now this is what the scenario is. So we have to confirm ourselves if the shadow is to the right or left. It is the persons are facing towards south or north or south. Okay. Then we have to confirm that they are facing towards north or south. Okay, wait a minute, just to have, where is the eraser part in this? Yeah. Now, see, Suryam is here, sun is here. Sorry, Suryam sun is here, and the sun is here. Why is sun here? Why is sun not here? Can you tell me? Why is sun there? Why is sun on the east side there? Because it's a morning time. I told you it's a morning time. Okay, it's a morning time. Yeah, it's morning time. The sun is here. So this is an assumption that Suryam is in the north side and sun is in the south side. So Suryam is facing in the direction and my sun is facing in direction in the north direction. Okay, so it's a morning time. So my shadow is falling here and my sun's shadow is also falling here. Now this is what to my sun? Is it right to my sun or left to my sun? My shadow, which is falling, is right to my sun or left to my sun? What side it is to my sun? Left. It is left to my sun. Okay. But I questioned you, my shadow has to fall on the right. So, but here in the morning time, if I'm standing towards, facing towards south, my shadow is falling to the left to my sun. So that does indicates that I am not facing towards south. Where am I facing? I am facing towards north and my sun is facing towards south. Clear, everyone? Is that clear now? Is that clear? I've checked whether I first placed myself at one position and I checked whether the question is getting satisfied or not. If the question is not getting satisfied, then I'm changing the position. I'm changing the position. Let me take you another question. Let me give you another question now. Okay. My wife and I were facing towards each other. Okay. My wife's shadow is to the left of me. Evening time. My wife's shadow is to the left of me. In which direction my wife is facing? Facing. My wife's shadow is to the left of me. In which direction my wife is facing? Oh, great. Okay, okay. North, south, north, south. Evening time, evening time. Is it north or south? Let me take it up. Let me take it up here. Okay. Yeah, let me take it up. My wife's shadow is to the left of me. Okay. Now let me place Suryam here and Suryam's wife here. So Suryam is facing south direction and Suryam's wife is facing north direction. Okay. Now, if that is the case, evening time, the sun is here and the shadow is falling in this direction and in this direction. What is my question? My wife's shadow is to the left of me. Yeah. Since Suryam is facing towards south direction, okay, his wife's shadow is what to Suryam? Left to Suryam. Yes, it is left to Suryam. In which direction my wife is facing? So Suryam's wife is facing in which direction? North direction. The answer is north direction. Cleared, everyone? Is that clear? Yes? Good. Good. Okay. This is north, south, east, west. Do always start from this point. I again repeat this. Do always start from the origin point. Wherever you are there, do always start from there. Walk towards 10 kilometers north. You keep drawing in your books. Walk towards 10 kilometers north. Take a left turn. Walk towards 10 kilometers north. Take a left turn. For the initial case, I will just help you out. Okay. Yeah. Walk towards 10 kilometers and take a left turn. Take a left turn. Is this right? I'm drawing like this. Is this right to do? No? Yes or no? No. Why? Because I've taken a right turn there. Okay. I've taken a right turn. I have to take a left turn. Okay. I have to take a left turn. Cleared? Yes. And walk for, this is 10 kilometers, and here you walk for 15 kilometers after taking a left turn from north side. Walk for 15 kilometers. First is 10 kilometers, then left, then 15 kilometers, again left, okay, and walk for 25 kilometers. And walk for 25 kilometers. Okay, you're standing at one position now. Okay, you're standing at one position. Tell me in which direction you are there with respect to original position, from the starting, with respect to starting point. So in which direction are you standing with respect to starting point? Okay, initially you're walking north 10 kilometers, then took a left turn, then left, then 15. Oh, southwest, southwest. Okay, let me check whether it is southwest or south. Okay, let me check. Let me give a check to it. Okay. Yeah. First is north, which you are walking. This is 10 kilometers. Everyone walked and took a left turn and walked for 15 kilometers. Here I am and took a right turn. No, I took a left turn after walking 15 kilometers. So this is 25 kilometers. Is that right? Is this right? No. Yes. Okay, very good. 274. So here I am, 25 kilometers, which means I am in west direction from the starting point, which means I am in the west direction, but you all are answering me southwest. Why is that so? Why is that so? You're all answering me southwest. Why is that so? Okay, so what? 25 kilometers. I've drawn 25 kilometers. 2v2. I've drawn 25 kilometers. Where am I going wrong? Can you correct me if I'm going wrong anywhere? All of you. It's not one or two who has to participate. Yeah, keep participating.
You
Tell me.
brought up to only 10 kilometers.
Oh, how do you say that? Because you are comparing with this parallel line. Very good. You are comparing with this parallel line. So this is not 25 kilometers. The 25 kilometers will cross this x-axis. Will cross the x-axis. Till the x-axis it is 10 kilometers only because whenever we walk here we are counting the perpendicular lines only. We are not going zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Okay, we are going perpendicular way. That is what? Straight line you can say. We are all drawing straight line. Okay, so this is 10 kilometers and here you will reach, which this will be how many kilometers? 15 kilometers. Okay, this will be 15 kilometers. Now from the starting position, if I say this is which direction? Southwest direction. Okay, this is southwest direction. Cleared all of you? Yes. I will take the next question now. Okay, good. Now I'm taking the next question. A man walks 5 kilometers south, turns right. After walking 3 kilometers, he turned to his left and walks 5 kilometers. Now, in which direction is he with respect to the starting place? Everyone, this time I want the right answers. I repeat, initially he started walking 5 kilometers south, took a right turn. After walking 3 kilometers, that means he walked for 3 kilometers, then he took a left turn and walks 5 kilometers. Now in which direction easy with respect to the starting place? Yeah, answers. West, 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 east. Oh my god. East and west. You always start it in this way, beta. Draw x and y axis. Don't randomly. East, west. Oh my god. Many answers. Southwest, southeast. Okay, let me take this. You are at this position. He walked 5 kilometers south, took a right turn. So the right turn is this direction and walked 3 kilometers and walked 3 kilometers. Yeah. Then took a left turn. Okay, this side and walked for 5 kilometers. Yes, he walked for 5 kilometers. He is here. He is here. But I'm asking in which direction is he facing? If I would have asked in which direction is he facing, then you would have said me south direction he is facing. But I'm asking his position with respect to the starting position. This is south, this is west, so this will be southwest position from the starting point. Okay, with respect to the starting point. There are many of them answered me west and east. Is that clear to all of you? Got it? How is it not west or east? It's southwest. Everyone cleared? If you say yes, then only I will move ahead. Okay, okay. Chalo, one more. Ram is facing west. He is facing west, takes right turn and walks 20 meters. He then again turns right and walks 10 meters. From there, he walks 10 meters from here. After this, he walks towards north for 10 meters. And then west 10 meters. In which direction is he with respect to the starting position? In which direction? Oh, beautiful. 2 to 8. Great. That's good. Good. 2 to 6. Good. Good, beta. 2, 3, 1. Can you give a check? Yeah, very good. 2, 3, 1. You are right. 73. Oh my God. People are doing it right. Just a minute. Yeah, the answer is north. The answer is north. Anyone has a doubt here? If it is clear for all of you, it's north. Anyone has a doubt here? No doubts. It's north. Okay. Chalo. It's north direction. Okay. I will give one more. Oh, this is a good one. Again, this type of question also will come sometimes. They say that southwest becomes southeast. East becomes north, and so on. What will west become? Good. Is it south? Is it south? Answer, all of you. South? Okay. South. The answer is south. Okay. The answer is south. Very good. One more. Two more, and then I will wind it up with this topic. Okay. Starting point from X, Suryam walked 15 meters towards west. Starting from X, 15 meters towards west. Okay. After walking 15 meters, took left turn, walked 20 meters. Then he took again left turn, walked 15 meters. After this, he took right turn, walked 12 meters. Now, how far? The question is, how far and in which direction? In which direction is Suryam from X? Very good, very good, very good, beta. 32 meters south, 32 meters south. Very good. Good. All who have answering the 32 meters south, very good. Okay, done, done. It's 32 meters south. If you need an explanation, anyone, if you want an explanation for it, you keep asking me. I will then only explain it. If you don't wish, I won't explain you, because I don't want to waste time. We have to cover maximum topics. Okay, see, for this question, the explanation: x is this point, your x is this point, he walked 15 meters west. Okay, I will take another color here. Yeah, so he's walking 15 meters west, took a left turn and walked 20 meters. This is 20 meters. Again took a left turn and walked 15 meters. That means he is on the x-axis here, a y-axis here. He is here, and then took a right turn, so he is going here and walked 12 meters. This is 12 meters. So this is 20 meters parallel line to this. 20 meters, 20 meters plus 12, that is 32 meters. And which direction? South direction. Okay, this is an easy one to do. Let me take it up a little difficult one. Little difficult one. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So Ram walks 10 meters south, then turned left, walks 20 meters, turned right, 10 meters left, 10 meters south, left 20 meters, turned right, walked 20 meters, turned to his right, 20 meters more. Finally, he turns to his right and walks a distance of 10 meters. Again, the question is same. How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? How far and in which direction is he from the starting point? Good. Good. 2B2, you need to check. 2A7, you also need to check, I guess.
So can you repeat it again?
I will repeat it. Sure. Ram walks 10 meters towards south. Turn to his left 20 meters. After turning left, he walked 20 meters. Then turn to right. Then again walk 20 meters. Again turn right. Again walk 20 meters. Again turn right and walk 10 meters. How far is he from the starting point, and in which direction is he with respect to starting point? Yes. So 20 meters north, many are saying. Is it not south? Is it not south? So is he in the, is he, okay, let me do it then. Okay, let me do it. Okay, chalo, I will do this question. Okay, Ram walked 10 meters south. Okay, this color is not good. He walked 10 meters south, turning to his left. After turning his to left, that is in this direction, he walked 20 meters. He is here. Again turned right. No, he now turned right. So again he is going here. Okay, then 20 meters. Again turn right 20 meters. That is again on this axis, y-axis only. Right, left 20 meters, right 20 meters, right, and 20 meters. So 320s are done. Then again right turn and 10 meters. And 10 meters it has covered. So this is 10 left over because this all is 20. 10 and 10, 20 is left over. Okay, he is here. In which direction is he from the starting point? Means he is in which direction from the starting point? He is here. The point is here. In which direction is he from the starting point? All of you. Correct your answers now. How can it be north, beta? They are not asking in which direction is he facing. They are asking he is standing in which direction with respect to the starting point. He is in the south direction. Very good. He is in the south direction from the starting point. Good. Good. Okay. Chalo. The last one I will give you a little tougher one, and then we will jump to ranking questions. Ram, Shyam started from same point. Ram walked for 3 kilometers western Kunma. Shyam first covered 4 kilometers eastern Kunma. And then this time both of them took a right turn. After that, Ram this time walked for 4 kilometers and Shyam walked for 3 kilometers. Okay. Find the shortest distance between them. Don't think easy as, no, that is what. Don't think it as easy. It seems to be easy, but that's not easy. Keep answering, keep answering. No one answered yet. No one answered yet. Keep answering. This is a real question. A good one. Honestly speaking, a very good question. Meanwhile, I fixed my charger, but no one have answered it. I am checking to your chat box. I am checking with your messages. No one have answered me right. Do you want me to repeat the question once again? Do you want me to repeat the question again? I say it. Ram initially, both started from the same point. Okay, they're going in different directions because Ram is walking 3 kilometers east and Shyam is walking, Ram is 3 kilometers west and Shyam is 4 kilometers east. Both of them took right turn. Yes. No one. Acha, how is it 10? What are you applying to get it 10? What are you applying to get it 10? Can you tell me what is that application you have used? Pythagoras theorem, everyone? Yes. If it is Pythagoras theorem you are using, if you are using Pythagoras theorem, that's right. But you are not using in the right way. Your geometrical lines are going wrong. Okay, let me give you an explanation here. Okay, let me change the color now. No, not 4, not 4262. Okay, not 11 also. Shortest distance or none. Okay, let's say Ram. Okay, we'll check Ram. Yeah, Ram 3 kilometers west. So Ram is here, this side, or this is 3 kilometers. So Shyam is this side walking. This is 4 kilometers. Both of them took right turn. So for Ram, it is in this direction. For Shyam, it is in this direction. Okay. Now this is 4 kilometers and this is 3 kilometers. They are saying. What you people are doing is you are finding this distance. I'm sorry. First, you are finding this distance. Okay, that is 5 kilometers, and then you are finding this distance, that is again 5 kilometers. So you are saying me 10. But you are saying that you are finding this point to this point and this point to this point. So you mean to say, yes, route 98. Beautiful, beautiful, beta. 237. Very good. Very good. Good job. Good job. Brilliant. Impressive. Okay. Good. It's route 98. Now you mean to say that this is one line and this is another line. So you have created two lines which gives you the route as 10. But I can create directly one line like this. Or let me do it. Okay, I will create one more line from this point to this point, which is a direct line which may cross this origin or may not cross. But this is a single line. Now I want the distance of this single line. For that, what I do is I extend this line. Now this is 4, which you know. So how much is this? From here, we know it is 3. This is how much. From here, I know this is 3. From here, I know this is 4. Okay. So this becomes your right angle triangle, which has 7 and 7 as sides. So hypotenuse becomes 7 root 2. Now initially you got 10. Now I am getting 7 root 2. If you want to check which is greater, this is root 100 and this is nothing but root 49 2s are 98. Oh, this is greater, so this is lesser. So the shortest distance will be 7 root 2. The shortest distance will be 7 root 2. I believe now it is clear to all of you. Yes, yes or no? Good, good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, so I'm done with the directions part. Okay, now we understand the ranking questions. Chalo, ranking questions. Let me on the PPT so that I can see the questions. How do the ranking question come? Like, you know, they will give. This is a word question, word problem question. Okay, it's very simple. Let's suppose Suryam ranked 18th in the class of 49 students. So there are 49 students from this point to this point, so on, 49 students. But I am ranked 18th, so I'm ranked somewhere here. Now, in a ranking test, you always remember everyone has got different ranks, has got unique ranks. Everyone has got a unique ranks. No two persons have been ranked same. That is what you need to consider and get your answers. Okay. So Suryam has been ranked. Let's suppose this is Suryam, and who is ranked 18th. So how many are before Suryam? How many are before Suryam? 17 of them will be before Suryam. Okay. How many of them are after Suryam? How many of them are after Suryam? So out of 49, I remove 18 people. Sorry. Out of 49, I remove 18 people, beta. So how much is it? Yeah, 31 students are there after Suryam. Now, why the answer is not giving me 49? Because you know the total number of students is 49. When I add 31 plus 17, I get only 48. Why is it not giving me 49? What am I missing here? If it's not giving me 49, so that means I'm going wrong somewhere. What is that I'm missing here? I'm adding 31 Yes, yeah, I'm missing the 18th rank person. That is Suryam. I'm missing Suryam here. So you have got 49 students. Okay. Now you tell me what is Suryam's rank from behind? What is Suryam's rank from behind? What is Suryam's rank from back? Back means yes. It's 32nd rank from the back. It's 32nd rank from the bottom. Because 31 students are there, we have got it. And 31, and then Suryam is 32nd. Clear? Okay? Good. Good. One more. Sam ranked 9th from top and 38th from bottom. How many students are there in the class? Oh my God. People have already answered it. Okay, good. 46 students, 46, 46, 46. Okay. Everyone, is that 46? Okay, chalo, done, done, done. 46, very good. Okay. Let me share my video. I will just, if you can see the video, can you all see the video? My laptop screen. Yes, beta. Okay. Can you read the question? Okay. The screen, the questions is not visible. If it is not visible, we will dictate it. I will dictate it. No worries. Is the question visible? Okay. Board is. Okay. Okay. Fine. I will do one thing. I will dictate it. So they say that in a queue, a boy is 19th from both the ends. 19th from both the ends. How many are there? How many students are there? Oh, great. 19th from both the ends. So this is a boy who is standing, who is 19th from the front and 19th from the back. So 19 plus 19, 38. But you have to remove, you have calculated the boy here also, the boy here also. So I remove the boy once, so I get 37. Very good. Very good. Very good. 37. 37. Very good. Good, beta. Okay. One more question. Okay. One more question. Wait. There are 50 students. Mary rank is 8th from the top. Okay. Henry is 20th from bottom. How many students are there between Mary and Henry? Yeah. How many students are there between Mary? Oh my God, you people are so fast. Let me do it here. Mary is ranked 8th from the top. So there are 7 here. 8 is Mary. Henry is 20th from the bottom. So Henry is here, 20th from the bottom. So this is 20th. So that means 19 are here. Now this is one case which is happening. It can happen in this way also. Mary is 8th here, who are 7 are before it. Henry can be here also. Why is Henry there only? He's 20th from behind. Which one you are considering? Are you considering both of them or only one? The first one or the second one? Which case you are considering it? The first one. Why is the second case not viable? Why can't we consider the second one? I feel that I have proven that it is also possible. Yes, the number 50 is given. In the second case, if this is a case, 20 plus 8 itself is 28. And if you mix again more people who are common to this 28, then it will not come to 50. So to make it 50, there should be a gap of people between Mary and Harry here. Like this. Now what is there? There how many people? So till Mary it is 8, till Harry it is 20. Okay, between them they are talking, isn't it? Students between. So 28 are already done. How many are there? 50 are there. And out of 28 they are, is it 28 only? Yeah, how many students are there between Mary and Harry? We have got only 22 students between them. Cleared? Everyone? Okay, but people, you all answer me something else, I guess, 37 or something. No? No. What is that you guys answer? I don't know. Okay. There is one question which I wanted to ask you in ranking, which are interchanging. Let me do it. Yeah, this is the question which I wanted to ask you. Yeah, I'm writing it. Haran is 11th from left. Manoj is 17th from right. If Haran and Manoj interchange their position, Haran to Manohar, Manoj to Haran, or maybe Manoj is front and Haran is back, like this. If it happens, Haran will become 13th from left. Then what will new position of Manoj from the right? Question is, what is Manoj's new position from right? Yeah, please take it. What is Manoj's new position from right? Faster, beta. No one has answered me yet. Okay, 20th. Manoj's new position from right. They're asking Manoj's new position from right. '20th, 14, or plenty of other answers, multiple answers. Okay, now let me give you the explanation. Yeah, let me take the explanation. Okay, Haran is 11th from left. Okay, he is 11th from left, means 10 are here and he is 11th. Manoj is 17th from right. 17th is here, so in behind him 16. This is one case which can happen, and the other case can be like this also. Haran, who is 11th from left, 10 are behind, but here again it is possible that this person can be 17th, okay, and 16 are behind him. Now after that, I read the further part of the question. There are two cases, case 1 and case 2. Okay, after interchanging Haran and Manoj, when Manoj and Haran interchange themselves, Haran will become 13th from left. In this case, if Haran comes here, he is initially 11th from left. Now if Haran comes here, then he will become lesser than 11 from the left. Yes, but that's not possible because the value is getting increased. So that means this case is not applicable, only the top case is applicable. Because when Haran goes towards this direction, then only the rank will increase, otherwise it will drop. Okay, so Manoj is behind Haran, this is clearly stated. Now what is the question asked? New position of Manoj from the right. So now this case is applicable, we got to know. So Manoj is coming this side. Okay, now let us first fix it, how many are there between them. So this is 11 and this is 17, that is 28 people are there. Is there any other question given to us? No. Okay, now 28 are there. Wait a minute. Now after Haran comes from here to here, his position becomes 13th from left. So this is 13th from left, 13 plus 16, that are 29 students. Okay, 29 of them are there. Or else you can say after 11, how many members should be there to make it 13? Only one member should be there. 11, 12 and 13. That's it. Only one member should be there. Okay. Now they say that Manoj position from the right. Now Manoj comes over here like this. Okay, from the right means like this. This is 16, 17, 18 and 19. That's it. 19th from the right. Manoj's position is 19th from the right, because this is 16, 17th, 18th and Manoj's position 19th from the right. All of you cleared? Yes, is that clear? Okay, good. So we are done with the ranking questions also. There's something called visual reasoning which they will ask you. Okay, in visual reasoning they may ask you water image, mirror image, like this. A very simple idea where I can give you to crack the questions of water image and mirror image. But when it comes to water image, do remember that your top and bottom, the shortcut, yes. If it is a water image, the top and bottom changes. I mean, the top becomes the bottom becomes the top. Okay. If it's mirror image, the left becomes the right. Okay, left becomes the right and the right becomes the left. That's it. Okay, for an example, if I say write the mirror image of mirror. Okay, now you should know where the mirror is. Is it in this side or in this side? Okay, if it is this side, then make your left and right only changes. not the top and bottom. Okay, so the mirror image of mirror word. So you are left. See, M is to the extreme. Let's suppose the mirror is here. Okay, the mirror is here. The mirror is here. How I will write the mirror image of mirror here? This letter is to the extreme left. Sorry, right. Now this will become to the extreme left, and the R part is in this side. So this will become like this. O, again R, again R. Okay, I and M. This is what the mirror image is. Or else I can give you in this way. Let us take this way. Okay, this is triangle, this is square, this is semicircle, and this is shaded semicircle. Okay, oh, wait a minute, I will write it. Yeah, this figure will give you a clear explanation about the mirror image and water image. Okay, this is triangle which is tipped up. Okay, tipped up, and this is square, a semicircle, top semicircle, a bottom shaded semicircle. Okay, now I will give you a mirror image of this diagram as well as the what is a water image of the diagram. Now let me take the water image of the diagram. If the water is at this position, what is the water image of this diagram? A circle. The top will be top and bottom will be changing, left and right will not change. So in the actual image, the triangle and shaded semicircle is to the right side. So here also it will be to the right side only. But in the bottom there is a semicircle, so that will become in the top. In the top there is a triangle that will go into the bottom, provided that the tip of the triangle is facing towards top. The tip of the triangle will face down now. Everything, the bottom and top will changes, will reverse. Okay, the top will become bottom, the bottom will become top. That's it, up and down in water image. Okay, yeah, the diameter of the shaded semicircle is at the top. Here the diameter of the shaded semicircle will be at the bottom. Okay, now yeah, you see that non-shaded semicircle and a square on the right side. In water image it will be only on the right side. Okay, it won't change, provided that the circle is in the top quadrant. Sorry, the square is in the top quadrant, that will go in the bottom quadrant. Okay, the semicircle is in the bottom quadrant, but that will go in the top quadrant, provided the diameter is in the bottom side facing down, it will face up now. That's it. Is this clear? This is with water image. The top becomes bottom, top and bottom changes. Okay, now let me take what is a mirror image also. The top and bottom will not change. The left will become right, the right will become left. That means square and triangle are the top, so it will be in the top only. Okay, provided that square is in the left side, so this time it will become on the right side. The triangle is on the left side, right side, it will become on the right side. The tip is top. Yeah, beta. Someone has a doubt? Is someone having a doubt to ask? No doubts. The tip of the triangle is at the top, so here also you will have at the top. Okay, now for the shaded portion, for the semicircles, okay, the shaded semicircle is to the left, sorry, right, that will go to the left. Diameter is facing top, it will face top only here also. The non-shaded portion is to the left, it will become onto the right. Diameter is facing down, it will be facing down only. The top and bottom will not change, the left and right will only change. So this is with the mirror image. Everyone, have you got the hint on this? Have you got a hint on this? So if they give you a question, immediately come to this thing and just start working on it. Are they will mostly ask you the mirror image only. They'll mostly ask you the mirror image, not the water image. So when it comes to mirror image, just make sure that your left and right changes. All of you, can I have a clearance that yes, it is cleared, sir? Everyone? Cleared? Thank you. Thank you. All of you. It's not 1-2 people only who have to answer. Yes, keep answering me. Good. Good. Yes, clear. Okay. Chalo. Thank you, Sirisha. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Then comes visual reasoning learning, counting figures. They may ask you something called counting figures. What exactly? I told you yesterday about the chessboard. Okay. Yeah. Three, 4, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So imagine this is a 5 by 5 matrix, that is grid. Okay. We'll just take a small grid. We will not go directly with the chessboard. Anything is same. Okay. Chalo. Guess how many? The bigger grid is also a square. The bigger grid is also a square. Guess how many squares are there in this? How many squares are there in this? Okay. Now you know that if I say 5 by 5 squares, 1 by 1, how many squares are there? 1 unit by 1 unit, it will be 25. This is 1 unit by 1 unit, isn't it? How many squares are there? 25 squares are there. Cleared? Now 2 unit by 2 unit, because they're asking by squares. That means what? This one they are talking about. Okay, they're talking about this one. Okay, this one, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are making 1, 2, 3. See, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Initially, when it was 1 by 1, we were making 5 square, but for in a 2 by 2, we are making 4 squares here. And in the same way, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So again, 4 into 4, that is 16 square. This is 5 into 5. This is 4 into 4. Now for a 3 by 3, how many squares I will make? 9. You're getting me? Getting me? See the logic. Catch this logic. Got it? Got it? 4 by 4 squares will be how many there? How many 4 by 4 squares will be there? This is a 4 by 4 square. You have 4. 5 by 5 square you have only one, the bigger one. So if they ask you to count the number of squares, yes, then if they ask you to count the number of squares in a chessboard, so you will count the number of squares from 8 by 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7, 8 by 8. Clear, everyone? This is very important because I have seen 2-3 questions based on these counting figures of the chessboard. There are plenty of questions they will ask you to create, but you can do that. Okay. Okay. Sometimes they make question. Is this clear? How is it? How is this for squares? Everyone, is that clear? Everyone, yeah, clear. Okay. Chalo. Sometimes, yeah. Okay. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Now don't count like this, like sir, 1 triangle, 2 triangle. Give me how many triangles are there in the given figure. Let me see how do you do. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5 triangles. Okay, 5 triangles. Now see, let me see, is it 5 triangles or not? Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is 3 plus 3. That is 6 triangles are there. No, it's not 5 triangles. It is 6 triangles. Now, so the easy way to crack, you know why you are doing it 5? Because you are doing it 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5th. But you are missing this one again. That is 6th. Now see what I have done initially. Okay. I have taken a small triangle and I've numbered it. How many triangles can this small one? 1, here this is 1 and this is 2. The addition of this is how much? 3. The same way here also in bigger triangle, you have 1 and a smaller triangle 2. So 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Together it is how much? 6. You know 3, why is it 3? Because this is 1 triangle, this is 2 triangle and this is 3rd triangle. Getting it? Getting it? Is this clear? Should I explain this again? This is very important because these are the questions where you save enough time for the puzzles, for these sitting arrangements and all. These are the questions you don't need to, and you cannot do errors. So like you have done error now. You have done error now by saying 5. The answer is 6 exactly, but you told me 5. You getting it, guys? Is that clear, everyone? Okay, let me give a question then. How many triangles are there? How many triangles are there in the given figure? Okay. Good. It's 18. It's 18. Very easy to answer this. So now if you count this one, then it becomes harder. But if you do it in this way, saying yes, it is 18. Like how do you do? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Again here 1, 2, 3. This is the bigger one, that is 6. 1, 2, 3. You have got 6. 6 plus 6 is 18. Very good. Very good, beta. Very good. All of you. Is it clear now? This should not be a doubt again. Tomorrow I may give a small assessment for you to experience all these questions. Okay? Yeah. So let me take you to sitting arrangements. This is very important. How do I share my screen? I will stop sharing the. Okay. Yeah, I got it. How to while I do it. Okay. Yeah. Meanwhile, I will explain the topic. Yeah, and then we will work on the sitting arrangements. The sitting arrangement comprises of 2 types of arrangement, beta. One is circular. Okay, the other one is linear. Believe me, if the question is circular, then your set is easy. It becomes little difficult when it is linear, honestly speaking. And in circular, if all of them are facing center, then it's very easy. But there are few facing center and few outside the center, away from the center, not outside, away from the center, then it becomes difficult. Okay. Now you need to remember this. They won't ask you in this way. They will ask you facing towards center. But any question you solve, any direction, any sitting arrangement question you solve it, do store your rough. Do not misplace it. That's what I told you yesterday also. Now, why do I say that circular arrangements are little easy? I'll tell you what. If I say, okay, if I say A and B are, okay, A is between, okay, I will say it in this way. A is between, A is sitting between B and C in circular table. Yeah, if this is what the statement is. Okay, your circular table, there are, let's suppose 5 members are there or 6 members are there. Let's suppose 6 members are there. Okay, so A and A is between B and C, so you can immediately place your B, C and A, but you will get a confirmation position of A. I can place A here. If A is here, then B or C should be here. B or C should be. Now you cannot say that B or C can be in this position. No, because it's circular. If that is the case, then anywhere they say it is a between only. In circular arrangement, this all words make it more clear. But if this is the non-circular arrangement, or let's suppose linear arrangement. If this is a linear arrangement, see how many people are there? I told 6 people now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now A is between B and C means B and C will be here. A can be here, A can be here, A can be here, A can be here. In fact, if this is one case, now B can be anywhere. B can be here, A can be here, and C can be here. So we have got plenty of possibilities arising when it comes to linear arrangement. But in circular arrangement, you can straight away plot your positions. Okay. Now let's suppose I say that A is to the left of B. In circular table, if A is to the left of B, okay, then you don't need to place where to select A and no. You can directly place anywhere. A is to the left of B. So A is here and B is here. Khatam. If they are facing center only, if they are facing center, then this is what A and B are facing center, and A is to the left of. You place A and B anywhere, but in the same way, like this. Or else you can place B here, A here. But this is not acceptable. If you say B here, A here, no, this is not acceptable. This is only acceptable if I say that A is one place away to the left of B. Sorry. A is one place away to the left of B. Okay, there is 2 places away to the left of B, not one place. 2 places away to the left of B. 1 and 2. Okay, and if he is sitting here, 1 place to the left of B or 1 place away to the left of B. If it is 2, then you will draw here. If it is 3, then you will draw A. 3 places to the left of B. Okay, like this. Now you don't count in this way. This is not left. This is only left for him. Got it, guys? Got it? Is that clear, everyone? Yeah, yes or no? Is that clear, everyone? You can hear me or not? Yeah, it's clear. Okay, fine, good. Okay, I will just give you a small question so that you can all solve that first. Yeah. 6 members. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Facing toward the center, sitting in a circular table. I will give you points. A is 2 places away to the left of C. Who is 2 places away to the left of E? Who is 2 places away to the left of E? Second one, D is not adjacent to A. Third point, V is 2 places away to the right of F. Now, if you solve this set, you will answer 3 questions. The questions are, okay, once you solve the set, Once you solve the set, you say me, sir, yes, we are ready. Then I will ask you the questions. You just find your arrangements. You just find your arrangement. If you are ready, then I will just post my questions to you guys. All are facing towards center. Yeah. Shall I ask you the questions now? Shall I ask the questions now? You're done? Okay. Chalo, the first question is, who is sitting opposite to F? Everyone keep answering to this. Who is sitting opposite to F? Okay, 2, 3, 8. Very good. Is it C or B? Is it C or B? Who is sitting to the opposite to F? Now see, I will solve the question. C, many are saying B also. Let's say, I see, how do I solve this question? 6 members. Okay. So yeah, if it is 6 members, then you will have a member exactly diametrically opposite to the other member. Okay. If there are 6 members, place a member who is diametrically opposite. If there are 5 members, you won't have a member who is diametrically opposite. Okay. Now A is 2 places away to the left of C. Let me place A here. Okay. A is 2 places away to left of C. So all are facing towards center like this. Okay. In this manner and this. So C is here and 2 places away to the left of C. Who is 2 places away to the left of E? So who refers to whom? Here, who refers to whom? C, yes, it refers to C, yes. Who is 2 places away to the left of E means E is in this position and C is there. Okay, we have got these positions. D is not adjacent to A. So D is not here. D is not here. So D is definitely here. Oh, this is fixed. Whatever is fixed, I will circle it off. Whichever is not fixed, I will not circle it off. Now B is 2 places away to the right of F. Okay. Now let's suppose this is F and this is B. Now is B 2 places to the right of F? No. B is to the left of F. So that means B cannot come here. So B will go there and F will come here. And wherein B is 2 places to the right of F. Okay, so this is fixed. Now we got the position. Who is sitting opposite to F? Who is sitting opposite to F? It's C who is sitting opposite to F. Who is between A and E? Everyone, who is between A and E? F is between A and E. F is between A and E. Who is sitting 3 places away to the right of A? Who is sitting 3 places away to the right of A? 3 places away to the right of A means 1, 2, and 3. Yes, it's D. Very good. Very good. Very good, everyone. Very good. D. Okay. Chalo. Wait a minute, beta. Yeah. Can you all see me? Okay, wait a minute. I'm just sharing the. Let's see whether. Give me a moment, okay? Hello. Yeah, very good evening. Harish, can I call you up in a while? Okay, I'm in the class now. Okay. Yeah, there is something which I have got to for you. Probably now you all can. Yeah. So the question is visible now, everyone. Can you just unmute yourself and say me, yes, sir, the question is visible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Go ahead. Solve this. Now these are very important. Solve this. I'll place it like this. Yeah, I will hold it. Okay. Just don't look into the answers there. Yeah. If you're done solving it, keep answering your question. Okay. There are 3 questions which you see there. Done? Solved it? It is not clearly visible. Now is it clearly visible, beta? Shall I read the question? If you want me to read the question, see, I'm reading it for you. I'm reading it for you. See, 8 members A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay, they're all facing towards center. A is opposite B, but neither of them is adjacent to either C or D. So I will do one thing. Yeah, I will read it for you guys. Don't worry. or I will write it also if required. You know, A to who all are there? A to H are there. Yeah. A is, sorry. A is opposite to B, but neither of them is adjacent to either C or D. This is first one given to you. Second one states that E is 2 places away to the left of F.
The screen,
Third one, sorry ma?
sir, screen is not visible. Screen is not visible. Showing black screen.
Is the screen now visible? Is it visible, Amma? Now
Yes,
is it
sir.
visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah, okay,
Yes,
go ahead, go
sir.
ahead. Yeah, okay. Yeah, G is to the right of B. Fourth one, H is not adjacent to A, but sitting next to C. Yeah. If you're done with your arrangements, then I will place you the question. If you're done with the arrangements, then I will place your question. Yeah, the question is, who is 3 places? Yeah, who is 3 places away? Yeah, oh, you got the question also. Away to the right of D. To the right of D. This is first one. The second one, who sits between E and G. Second one. And the third one is, E is 2 places to the right of dash. E is 2 places to the right of dash. Okay, is it FDG, everyone? FDG. Okay, there are someone saying FDG. Let me see whether we can answer it or not. Okay, I have got how many people? 8 members. Yeah, FDG, everyone. Okay, very good. First one, A is opposite to B. I will draw A here. I will draw B here. But neither of them is adjacent to either C or D. So C and D cannot be here. 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 E is 2 places to the left of F. Okay, E is 2 places to the left of F. Can we place anywhere to E? Is we don't know. Achha, C and D will be definitely either here or here. This is for perfect. Okay, So E and F, we don't. E is 2 places to the left of F. Okay, we don't know where to place, but G is to the right of B, which is given to us. G is to the right of B means this is G, this is G. Okay, now if G is here, then who can be here? Here, okay, H is not adjacent to A, so H is not here. Then definitely H has to go here only. H has to go there only. Sitting next to C. Sitting next to C means C is here. If C is there, then D is here. Oh, very good. This are all confirmed. Okay, now we have to place E is to the left of 2 places to the left of F means F is here and E is here. Is this what you have got? Who is 3 places away to the right of D? 3 places away to the right of D. 1, 2, 3. F is there. 3 places away to the right of D. Between E and G, it is D. E is 2 places to the right of G. Yes. The answer is F, D, and G. Very good. Very good, everyone. Good job. Good. Okay, now you are through with it. I will share this PPT also. You have got good questions in this PPT. So probably Pavan sir will share it with you so that you can solve the questions also. And apart from this, I will share up a few other question papers also where you can check those questions and solve those questions as well. Okay, the previously asked questions. This is with the sitting arrangement, and then there is something called analytical reasoning.
Sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Tell me.
Sir, just now you said 8 members, no sir. 8
Yes.
members seating. That I have taken in the reverse, means at the place of B which you have taken, I have taken A. In that format also it is correct, sir.
Absolutely. See, that is why I tell you, circular arrangement is easy for us. Okay, circular arrangement. I took here B first, I guess, and A here. Now you are saying that, sir,
Yes, sir.
is it okay to keep A here and B here? That is what you are saying. Agreed. This is also right. Honestly speaking, you take A here, B here. That is also right. Anywhere.
No, sir.
The moment.
Top only I have taken A, sir. Bottom B.
Yeah, you have to take B exactly opposite. Now you cannot say if you are taking A here and you are taking B here, this is not right. This is not diametrically opposite to A. You have got even number of persons, then you will have a person definitely opposite to another person. But if you have odd number of persons, then it is tough. Then you cannot have a person opposite to other person. Cleared better? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Fine. Now I've got something called in puzzles, wherein that is also an arrangement kind of a thing, but again we call that as analytical reasoning, or you can just term any term, but that is puzzle for me always. Okay, now this is again a grid format puzzle for us. Okay, Simhachalam. I will just give this is Simhachalam, Annavaram, and one more religious. Okay, the Tirupati. Good one. Yeah, I'm creating the question here. Okay. Yeah. Understand the literature of the question. I mean, what I'm trying to state you, and then start figuring out the answer for the question. I say that Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati are 3 persons. These are the persons who stays. Okay, in Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. who stays in 3 places, and the 3 places names are also Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. Who were born. Okay, they're not staying, they're staying in these 3 places, but now I'm talking about the birthplace. Who were born again in the 3 places, Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. All of you, is the information clear to everyone? Simhachalam, Annavaram, Tirupati are 3 people, 3 persons, okay, who are living in these 3 places, Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati, and who were born in Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. Apart from this, the condition are no 2 persons stay in same city. I repeat, no 2 persons stay in same city. Okay, no 2 persons, again, no 2 persons born in same city. Okay, that means every person is staying in a different city. Agreed? Only one person is staying in one city. Only one person has been born in one city. Added with this information, the person name should not match with his living place or else with the birthplace. Or else you can say no 2 categories should have the same name. Categories are what here? Persons, birthplace, and living place. Okay, these 3 places, these 3 categories should not have same names. Same names. No 2 categories should have same names for a single person. You getting me, everyone? Cleared? Cleared. Information is cleared? Yes. Okay. Now, if Tirupati is born in Annavaram, if Tirupati is born in Annavaram, can you all tell me where is Simhachalam living and born in? Where is Annavaram living in and born in? Born. Where is Simhachalam living and where is he born from? And Annavaram living and where is he born from? If Tirupati is born in Annavaram, this is an additional information given to you. Now, this is a pure puzzle for set. Yeah, keep solving. Got the answers? Got the answers, beta? It's an easy one. Yeah. Can you explain again? Okay. Okay. I will explain it again. See, my question is, there are 3 persons. Very good. Very good. 295. Good. There are 3 persons. Simhachalam, Annavaram. Yeah, good. There are people answering it. Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. And they are living in Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. They are born from Simhachalam, Annavaram, and Tirupati. Now I say that no 2 persons live in same city. Means every person is living in a different city. Okay. So only one person is living in one city you can take into consideration. I also say that no 2 categories should have same name. That does mean that Tirupati cannot stay in Tirupati. Tirupati cannot be born in Tirupati. Agreed? And the born place and the birthplace, the living place and the birthplace should also not be matched. That is what the condition is. And additional information given to you is that Tirupati is born in Annavaram. Now, how do I solve this question? I will explain you. How do I solve the question? Form a grid, start checking it out, whatever information you have got it, and store that grid. Store that grid. Honestly speaking, store that grid, because the question may repeat you afterwards, because you're appearing for an online test, you're not appearing for a paper pencil based test. Okay. Now, how do we solve this question? If this is a question given to me, how do we solve it? Like, see, I solved it. Let me put up my video here. persons: Simhachalam, Tirupati, and Annavaram. So these are the birthplace: Simhachalam, Tirupati, Annavaram. Birthplace. And this is what you say, staying place: Simhachalam, Tirupati, Annavaram. Yeah, I forgot the information. Where is Annavaram born, ma'am? What information is given to you? I forgot that. I erased it. Can you tell me which information was given to you?
No two persons born in same
No,
city.
no, that I've done it. No, I told
Okay.
someone was born from some
Simhachalam
place.
born in Tirupati and stay in Annavaram.
No. Who has born? Okay, Tirupati is born in Annavaram. That is what I've given to you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So Tirupati is born in Annavaram. That means Tirupati is not born in any other two cities, isn't it? He is born in Annavaram. And that also means that in Annavaram no one else is born. See the way I am doing it. Agreed? Agreed? Yes. Okay. Now if Tirupati is born in Annavaram, that means he cannot stay in Annavaram also, because I told you the staying place and the birthplace should also not match. And neither Tirupati can stay in Tirupati, because I told you the name and the place where they stay should not match. So where is Tirupati staying in? In Simhachalam. Now you all know that Simhachalam cannot stay in Simhachalam, Annavaram cannot stay in Annavaram. You're getting me, all of you? All of you. In the same way, Simhachalam cannot be born in Simhachalam, Annavaram cannot be born in Annavaram. Okay. Now again, now since Tirupati is staying in Simhachalam, so Annavaram won't be staying in Simhachalam. Cleared? Cleared? So where is Annavaram staying? Annavaram staying in Tirupati. Since Annavaram is staying in Tirupati, he cannot be born in Tirupati, so he is born in Simhachalam. And this is only left over, this is ticked. So if this is ticked, then this is not ticked. Okay, this is done. So you got your information. See, when you start checking it out, you just keep clicking it out or keep crossing it out, you get your information ready with you. Do you want me to explain this whole thing again? Because this is an important set, very important one, very important. You may get questions like this, maybe sitting arrangement, or maybe a set like this, or maybe both the sets also. You should not be surprised to see both the sets. All of you, is this clear? I will give you another question like this to you guys. Yeah, you want me to repeat it again? Let me do one thing. Let me do one thing. I will give you one more question, so that you understand it. So we also save time. Okay, we understand the question. Like we understand the whole procedure once again with another question. Okay, I will get a good question one. Wait a minute. Participated in a race. All four participated in a race. Short information I'm writing. In 4 different four-wheelers. The four-wheelers name are Thar, Scorpio, XUV, Bolero. Information given to you are: A won the race, but he did not own Thar. Second information given to you: C owns Scorpio, but he is not the second to complete the race. Third, person who owns the Thar completed the race immediately before B. Fourth information, B does not own XUV. Yeah, the information is given to you. Now it's your turn to play the role. I will question you. Who, the person who came second owns what? The person who came second owns what? Or who is the person who came second and what? Who is the person who came second and he owns what?
B, sir.
Check it, all of you. Keep solving. Post your answers in the chat box. Very good. Oh, someone is saying D, someone is saying B. B Bangalore or D Delhi. There are two answers which I've got.
B,
Okay,
sir. B, sir.
C also. Oh, there car also I want. The car name also. See, I need the car name. Who is the person who came second and what is the car name? Naveen says Bolero, it seems. Others. Someone says Thar. See, now anyone who is having a doubt in this question, yeah, in the concept, in the topic, you get your doubts cleared up with this one. Okay. See, how do I solve this? Okay. See, first, there are 4 persons, there are 4 wheelers, and now you see that there are ranks also. Ranks is also given, but it is not mentioned here, but it is mentioned in the instruction. So what I do is A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What are the car names? Thar, Scorpio, XUV, and Bolero. Anyone wants to give a try? I would really appreciate that person. Anyone wants to give a try and explain how did you solve it? I'm here. I've already drawn the grid. I will guide you. Don't worry. Anyone who is there, boys and girls, anyone who wants to drive yourself to take the lead to explain this? Come on. If you explain it, your concept gets more clear. Honestly speaking, guys, you will feel better if you start explaining things. You will feel confident on solving these kind of questions, and honestly speaking, you are getting prepared for yourself also. Is there anyone who wants to take a lead? At least one person. No one wants to take a lead. No one. Until now, many of them were answering it. Not from the girls' end even. Let me see who will have answered it. Yeah. 207 or 238. Are you okay? No? Okay, let me give the explanation. Okay, fine. You people are not interested, then that's okay. But I would have told you that, but when you get a chance to explain it, take the chance. That really helps you out to improvise your skill set also. Okay. Yeah, I will read the instruction one by one and I will start checking it out, which is perfect. The one you're confirming it, I will keep a tick mark. I repeat, the one you're confirming it, I will give a tick mark that indicates that this is confirmed. So there is no other change in this. A won the race. What does this indicate? A won the race. Means what is his rank? If I'm saying A won the race, what? Unmute yourself now. No messages. It's the last one. It's the last one. Yeah, his rank is first. So this is fixed. So can anyone else get the first rank? Can anyone else get the first rank? No. No. Can A get any other rank? Can A get any other rank?
No.
No, because he has already got first rank, so he cannot get another rank. Okay. A won the race, but he did not own Thar. So A is not owning Thar. This is also eliminated. Okay. C owns Scorpio. Who owns Scorpio? C owns Scorpio. So this is done. So can Scorpio be owned by any other person?
No.
Why do you say no? Is there anywhere mentioned that it is not? I mean, two persons cannot. I am a rich man. I own Scorpio as well as Thar.
4 different ways.
Beautiful. That's what I'm expecting. 4 different 4-wheelers. So everyone is having a single 4-wheeler over there. That's great. That is how every bit of information is important over here. Now, person C owns Scorpio, so no one else owns Scorpio. Agreed? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, can C own any other car? Can C own any other
No,
car?
sir.
No.
No.
Okay, cool. C owns Scorpio, but he is not the second one to complete the race. So C is not neither the first one, C is neither the second one to complete the race. Okay, good. Now, person who owns Thar completed the race immediately before B. So, who owns Thar? I don't know who is owning Thar, but he completed the race immediately before B. So that does mean that B is not owning Thar. Agreed? Person who owns Thar completed the race immediately before B. So B is not owning Thar. Is that clear? Is that right? Yes or no? Okay. And then it is also mentioned that in the 4th statement, B does not own XUV. B does not own XUV. So what is B owning? What is B owning? What does B owns? B owns which car here? Yeah, Bolero. B owns Bolero. So Bolero cannot be owned by any other person. Okay. Now that indicates that A is owning XUV. A owns XUV, not owning, owns. A owns XUV, so XUV cannot be owned by any other person. From this, it also indicates that the Thar is owned by D. That's it. Very good. We have cracked this part of the grid now. Now I will again read the third one, which because there are some information remaining. The person who owns Thar completed the race immediately before B. Who is owning Thar? D is owning Thar. So D is completed the race before B means D and then B it has to be. Okay. Like this it has to be. And now C can come either front or else C can come either back. Now if C comes front, then his position becomes second. Agreed? Because A is first. So can this be possible? Can this sequence be possible? No. Because C didn't complete second in the race. So this position is not possible. So only this position is possible. So that means D is completing second. Okay. B is completing third. Okay. And C is completing fourth. Now the answer for the question what I asked, who is the person completing second? It's D. And what is the car he is owning? It's Thar. Boys and girls, is that clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Cleared? All explanation is cleared? Yeah? cleared. Chala, great. So with this we can call it a day because it's too much time where I've taken the class. Tomorrow we will work on it. Tomorrow maybe it will be offline, I guess. Yeah, Pavan Garu, you are there?
Yes, sir. Yes, I'm here, sir.
Okay. Pavan Garu, can we now call it off?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, we can call it off a day.
And what I will do is now I will just club all the PPTs and shoot you a mail to you. Okay, shoot a mail to you so that you can forward those
Yes.
PPTs to the students if they want.